Page 73, the Thunderer. Still in E major. Cut time, but I want to talk about it in 4/4 time, so we'll put it back in cut time later. So right here at the beginning, the left hand's got the thumb on the B. You got to reach up to the G sharp. That's a stretch, but see if you can do that. At the end of the line, you have a rest. You're going to lift the hand up and move it. And the dotted rhythm, well, in cut time, it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a. So it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and is how it is. But in 4/4 time is just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The idea is to get the rhythm. The counting is just helping you to get the rhythm. So whatever it takes to get the rhythm, other than copying somebody else, that's what you do. Because you got dotted rhythms throughout. Second line, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2. And then the last note in the last line, or the second line, is a B again. And then you got to reach up for the third line again, etc. And that's really pretty much what it is in the right hand. Just watch the rhythm. In the left hand, you get this Alberti bass pattern. It's a 1 chord if you take them all together. But known as an Alberti bass. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, because in cut time that's what it is. And so I don't see a lot of problems in the left hand for you. I just don't think, as long as you play the rest. In the second line, you have a half note. It's got to come up on the third beat. So when the right hand plays that F sharp, lift the left hand. So it's by itself. Now the speed they're giving you at the beginning of this is tempo de marcia. It is tempo of a march tempo, left, right, left, right. It's a slow march in my mind. It's either a slow march or a really, really fast march. I'm not sure. It's just left, right, left, right. If I do that, left, right, left, right, left. So that moves along. That would be a challenge for you. You want to try that eventually. Work it up to that speed. So let's try this out. In cut time, I'll give us 3 counts. That's 3 half notes. Now we'll check the notes and the rhythms. So the right hand here, left hand here, eventually. We'll wait till the right hand gets out of the way. And okay. 1, ready, go. 1,